It's not just about being clingy, it's about loyalty, love, and a deep-seated protective instinct, and a whole lot of ancient wolf DNA that drives them to be the guardians they are today. Chapter 4: Velcro Dog Syndrome. Alright, but let's be real, sometimes it goes beyond just checking in, right? You know, those moments when your dog is practically glued to your side no matter where you go or what you do. Some dogs are like full-on stage 5 clingers. They just can't seem to get enough of you, and while it's endearing, it can also be a bit overwhelming.